Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD. So if you are watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do check out the Forex Analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD and many more. So my dear friends, we can see that after the market opening on Monday, market is going down. And as per our expectation, US dollar is very bullish and still going up. And if you have watched my previous video on GBP USD that I uploaded on Saturday, then you have a clear idea what is going on and why these levels are important for the GBP USD chart. And if you have not, my dear friend, then I would like to request you to watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday so you get a complete detailed picture about the importance of these levels. So right now you can see that US dollar is going up, and right now you can see that US dollar is just standing at a resistance and still it looks very bullish. Generally we see price struggling near the resistance, but unlike the previous times we can see that US dollar is still very bullish. So in a market scenario like this, we do not have the confirmation whether market will be breaking this level or market will be reversing. Generally, whenever we get such kind of bullishness in the market usually breaks the resistance. But this market, you cannot be too sure. So you should wait for at least closing of this candle, or at least wait for 4 to 6 hours, because today is Monday, and as we all know, during the first half on Monday, the market usually remains dull. But right now, dollar is just standing at a resistance, so at least wait for the closing of this candle, and if possible one more candle. After 4 to 6 hours, if you see that market is trading comfortably above this level, if you see market trading normally above this level, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, market has crossed the resistance and this resistance is no longer valid. Then the resistance will become the new support of the market, and then you can hope that GBP USD will be going up from USD will be going up and GBP USD will be going down further. So everything depends on the chart of the US dollar right now. So in case in case the US dollar reverses from here, then GBP USD will be going up, and if dollar remains bullish like this, then GBP USD will be going down because they have a correlation. Okay, so keep your eyes on the chart of US dollar and then act accordingly. And this is the chart of GBP USD here, and you can see that as dollar is very bullish right now, dollar is going up, GBP USD is going down. So we have a support zone in this level here. So if market reverses from here, if GBP USD reverses from here, well and good, you can go for a buy here. And if you're planning to short the market right now, my dear friend, let me tell you, this is not the ideal position to short the market, because if you short the market here, then your stop loss will be here and this will be a take profit target. Your risk to reward ratio does not match. So wait for a couple of hours, wait for a dollar to give you a proper signal whether it will be going up or it will be reversing. Then only act accordingly. And if GBPUSD reverses from this support zone here, then please go for a buy. You can go for a buy here. So have some patience, wait for proper direction of the market. Uh, we can hope that within the next couple of hours we will understand what is about to happen to the US dollar. So be careful, follow proper risk management, do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow again.